wanna tell you.
Hey, congratulations, it's a celebration. Party all day, I know you've been waiting. Congratulations, it's a celebration. I just wanna tell you that I think that you're amazing.
Hey, congratulations.
Pepsi. What's up, guys? I have my scooter. Have this attached to my dog, and today we're gonna see if the dog could pull me on my scooter because I'm lazy. But guys, just to make a warning to this video, don't try this at home. I'm not choking my dog in this video. He's looking extra cute. Wait, look at his face. Pipey, Pipey, Pipey. See, I'm not choking him. So we're gonna start this off right now. Okay. I'm not even moving. Oh my god. Oh my god. It actually worked. Okay. Pipey's peeing currently. Pipey, come on. This way. Look. Come on, Pipey. You gotta roll me on this. Wait. Go. Go. Alright, guys. Still here. Piper, leave me the way. No, we're not going back. We gotta go around the town. Come on. Oh my god, Pipey. Let's go around the town. Okay, guys. Piper, come on. Oh my god, he's rolling me. Oh my god. Pipey, chill out. Oh, I gotta get my thumbnail. Oh my, Piper. Come back, yo. Come on, little boy, you gotta run. Oh, jeez. Gotta put on. Guys, going on it? No, we're not peeing on the car. Okay, come on. Piper, I'm gonna run you. Yo, Piper, what do you mean? Piper's literally rolling around this thing. Okay. Make sure I don't run him over on this. Oh my god, guys. Going with one hand. Hey! Yo, Piper, come on. He's rolling me. Energy! Oh my god. Bubber. Oh my god, he's pulling me down. Piper, chill out. Chill out with that. Okay, guys. This is a sidewalk. Piper? Oh, Jesus. Leave me the way. Pipey. I was gonna... Yo. Pipey. You gotta do something else. What's up? We gotta go over here. Piper. Come on. Look at this kid. Sorry guys, but I had to end the video there because my dog is getting super exhausted. Dog was about to die. But if you guys are asking if I killed my dog, no I didn't. Piper's okay, he's inside of there. He's chilling. School's about to end School is about to end soon. So you know that means more vlogs every day. I might do vlogs every day since I don't have to worry about schoolwork, school stuff, school days. Yeah. So summer vlogs are coming back out for the second time. And you guys already know summer vlogs are the best vlogs on my channel. But yeah. My dog didn't, so the reason why I ended the video so early, only like 3 minutes in, the dog didn't want to walk any longer, didn't want to do anything, so he just stayed in. But this is the end of the video, guys. Like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you later. What was that? Peace.
It's on 40 in my right car. Bitches change, they act like I ain't all this. Get it money, nigga, that my main focus.